Welcome to Top Crypto, and in this video you will learn everything you need to know about the BNB Smart Chain, including how to actually create a wallet to own and trade digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain yourself. First, please notice our disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Alright, so now let's dive right into the BNB Smart Chain. So before we start, I do want to add that all the links you need before this video and after this video will be down in the description. So now let's dive into the BNB chain. Once we actually get into their website, you can explore the BNB chain ecosystem. For example, you can explore the decentralized apps already deployed on the BNB chain. You can find out about the bridge to move your funds cross-chain. You can find out how to build on the BNB chain, find out how to trade on the Binance decentralized exchange, and how to buy crypto yourself for the BNB chain. You can also learn how to join the BNB chain DeFi ecosystem. They have all cool tutorials how to, for example, download a wallet, buy crypto, and how to explore BNB chain project. Apart from that, they also have a lot of interesting documents for if you actually want to build on the BNB chain. For example, you can learn how to build decentralized apps. You can find out more about the most valuable builders, but you can also find out more about how to integrate existing solutions and how to join the developer community. Now, lastly, at the bottom of the page, you can also find out how to download your own crypto wallet to actually trade and own digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain. So they have multiple options for you, like the Trust Wallet, the Binance Wallet extension, and the Binance Wallet Mobile to exactly fit to your needs. Now, if we come to the bottom of the page, you can actually, under technology, find out more about the BNB Smart Chain. By clicking that, you will actually come to this page, and on this page you can read even more about the BNB Smart Chain by, for example, downloading the white paper, but you can also check out cool things like the BNB Chain Accelerating Fund, the leaderboard for the reward program, and who is already developing on the BNB chain. Apart from that, you can also find out more about the technology side behind the BNB Smart Chain by checking out the relation between the BNB Beacon chain and the BNB Smart Chain and how they relate to each other. So now let's actually get into how to actually create and unlock a wallet on the BNB Smart Chain. So again, I do want to add that all the links you need are actually down in the description. So make sure to check those out as well. Alright, so the first thing you need to do to actually be able to create a wallet, to actually be able to trade and own digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain, is to look up Metamask on the Chrome Web Store. So Metamask is a browser extension wallet which actually allows you to add the BNB Smart Chain and to trade and own digital assets on it. So you will need to add it right here. It says remove from Chrome for me because I have already downloaded it, but for you it probably will say add to Chrome. So now that you have actually downloaded the Metamask browser extension, you can find it here at the top right. It's either under this puzzle piece or it's already there. It's the little fox icon. So you can actually press that to open Metamask, and once you've opened it, you will see this with your own account details and, which is pretty notable, Ethereum mainnet. So what we want to do is to actually connect the BNB Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet to be able to trade and buy crypto with that wallet. The first thing you will need to do is to click this icon at the top right. Then go to Settings, click Networks, and click Add Network, which will take you to another page. It will bring you to this page, which might seem a little bit difficult, but trust me, it's not as difficult as you think it will be. I will fill this in for you, and you can actually copy it after I've filled it in. Alright, so I have filled in all the details to actually connect the BNB Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. First thing, the network name should be Smart Chain. Then the new RPC URL should be this, which you can pause the video and actually copy that to your screen. Then the chain ID should be 56. The currency symbol is BNB, and the block explorer URL is optional, but if you do want to add it, it's this link, which again you can pause the video and add it. And once you have added all the details in, you can click save, and then you will be brought to this page, which you can close. After closing that page, you can actually enter Metamask again, and what you will find out right now is that up here you can actually switch between the Ethereum mainnet and the BNB Smart Chain. And what this allows you to do is to actually buy, send, and swap digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain. So now you know how to actually create a wallet on the BNB Smart Chain to be able to actually own and trade digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain. I thought it would be interesting to also take a look at the Twitter account. You can follow the BNB Smart Chain at BNB Chain, and this would be very interesting interesting to you, because here you can actually find out all about announcements regarding the BNB chain. You can also find out interesting information about the activity on the BNB chain. And apart from that, you can also find out more interesting things on the BNB chain. For example, the top trending DeFi projects which have been deployed on the BNB chain. So a quick summary of what we have actually learned. We went over the website of the BNB chain. We learned about the decentralized apps. We learned about how to build on the BNB chain as a developer, but we also learned about the bridge, the Binance decentralized exchange, and how to actually download specific wallets. Then we went more into depth into the technology behind the BNB Smart Chain, and we learned how to actually download, configure the BNB Smart Chain to your wallet to be able to actually own and trade digital assets on the BNB Smart Chain, which is amazing. So as a last time, I do want to add that all the links you need for this video and after this video, that all the links you need will be down in the description for you. So thank you again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions I may not have covered, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.